Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to securely clear the browsing cache in Facebook on iPhone and Android. Facebook stores browsing cache on your iPhone and Android device to load content faster. But over time, this cache data can pile up and cause slow performance, glitches, or even app crashes. If Facebook feels sluggish or pages aren't loading correctly, clearing the browsing cache can be an easy and effective fix. Besides, it also helps free up storage space and refresh the app's overall performance. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the Facebook app on your iPhone or the Android device. And then you have to hit the menu button located at the top. After that, you have to choose Settings and Privacy option. Then select Settings to proceed. After that, you have to head over to the Preferences section and choose the Browser option. And under the Browsing Data section, tap on the Clear button that is located right next to Cookies and Cache, and you're all set. So that's how you can easily wipe out the browser data in Facebook on your device. Regularly clearing your Facebook browsing cache is a simple yet effective way to maintain app performance and fix minor issues. By following the steps for your device, you can enjoy a faster, more responsive Facebook experience while keeping your device storage optimized. Therefore, make it a habit and your social media browsing will stay hassle-free. And I'll catch you up in the next one.